Ibrahim Traore is fast becoming a true revolutionary leader, and just like General George Washington did in 1776 for the United States, General Ibrahim Traore is doing same in 2024 and with recent progress in Burkina Faso's fight against terrorism. There is an overwhelming feeling of momentum as Ibrahim Traore takes decisive steps towards speeding up the numerous ongoing infrastructure and development projects. As an observer, it is clear that Traore understands the importance of strong infrastructure in driving economic growth and promoting national stability. One of the projects featured in this video is the revival of Burkina Faso's passenger train service, which marks a very significant milestone after years of inactivity. Traore so much believes that reactivating this vital transportation line will improve accessibility, facilitate trade, and act as a catalyst for economic activity along the railway route. Burkina Faso's decision to withdraw from the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, provides an opportunity for the country to assert its autonomy and give priority to key infrastructure initiatives that are in line with its development goals. From my own perspective, Traore's administration's quick action to expertise these projects demonstrates a commitment to capitalizing on the present environment of improved security and stability for the country's advancement. Burkina Faso's strategic infrastructure investment aims to improve connectivity, attract investors, and boost regional and of course global competitiveness. Traore's leadership hopes that by working as a team, they can lay the foundation for long-term economic growth and prosperity for all civilians of Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore is committed to ensuring that infrastructure projects are effectively completed on time and efficiently. To accomplish this, officials from the President's office are strategically deployed to make unannounced visits to construction sites throughout Burkina Faso. This hands-on approach clearly reflects Traore's sense of urgency and dedication to quick action. Traore lays so much emphasis on the importance of projects moving quickly and smoothly to meet the population's urgent needs, recognizing that every single moment counts. Maintaining close observation of construction projects is critical for ensuring that all resources are efficiently used and that projects are completed on schedule. Traore's goal is to ensure that infrastructure development are efficiently completed quickly and ready to serve the people of Burkina Faso. By closely monitoring progress and addressing any challenges that arise. One notable initiative by Traore's administration is the construction of a 45 km road connecting Burkina Faso's third-largest city to several towns that have recently been liberated from terrorists. The ongoing construction of the 45 km road, which is about 65% complete, demonstrates Ibrahim Traore's unwavering commitment to improving accessibility and security to Burkina Faso's conflict-affected regions. This ambitious project exemplifies Traore's determination to breach the gap between urban centers and previously marginalized communities, massively promoting economic development and stability in areas long plagued by conflict and neglect. The road improves connectivity and infrastructure in these regions, facilitating the movement of people as well as goods, while also providing new opportunities for socio-economic growth and community empowerment. The construction company in charge of the project demonstrated dedication and commitment, reflecting Traore's emphasis on accountability and progress. Despite the challenges that come with such large-scale endeavors, Traore's administration remains very determined to deliver successful results and fulfill responsibilities to the people of Burkina Faso. In addition to improving road infrastructure, Traore has directed officials to conduct thorough assessment of state-owned factories with the aim to ensure that progress continues, demonstrating high proactive approach to overseeing development initiatives. Furthermore, Traore's administration's successful completion of a new railway system demonstrates its commitment to improving transportation infrastructure, facilitating the efficient mobility of goods and raw materials between manufacturers' centers market and fostering economic growth throughout the country. Traore's collaborative efforts demonstrate his leadership and vision for a more prosperous and interconnected Burkina Faso. The completion and operationalization of the railway, which will facilitate the operation of the gas plant, represents a significant milestone in Burkina Faso's infrastructure development. This achievement, entirely carried out by the National Dehydrocarbons, demonstrated the country's commitment to improving its industrial capabilities and ensuring energy security. Over the course of 5 months, this transformation project overseen by the management company for Burkina Faso's railway heritage has come to fruition, which further demonstrates the country's ability to undertake complex engineering projects. The newly completed railway has 54 kilograms rails, that is Q to international norms and standards. This railway development, entirely funded by the national tsunami hydrocarbons and costing approximately 1 billion CFA francs, is critical to operationalizing the liquid hydrocarbon deposit from Tsunami to Peni. The depot's strategic location responds to the imperative of meeting the local population's energy consumption requirements while ensuring the security and safety of flammable materials during storage and transportation. Before the industrial railway project was completed, Ibrahim Traore embarked on a major mission to restore Burkina Faso's passenger train service, which was a major lifeline between the capital city and the bustling hope of Bobo. After about 4 years out of service, the passenger train service return has sparked joy and excitement among residents. The family sound of the train whistles once more at the capital city's railway station, creating a palpable sense of anticipation. The resumption of the passenger train, which travels as far as the Ivory Coast border, represents more than just transportation. It represents connecting, progress, and the restoration of essential services from Burkina Faso residents. The resumption of passenger train services has sparked a sense of unity and celebration, with several dozen people gathered at the station to welcome its return. For travelers, the passenger train services brings about a dependable and convenient means of getting to their various destinations, whether for business, pleasure, or personal reasons. The train's return represents a significant step toward restoring normalcy and a convenient travel within Burkina Faso, fostering a sense of connection and belonging among its people. Ibrahim Traore's advocacy for the resumption of passenger train services demonstrates his unwavering commitment to the people of Burkina Faso's prosperity and progress. Construction engineers in Bobo Dioulasso, the country's second-largest city, provide very detailed information about the scope and progress of the expandable tomato factory. Once completed, this administrative building will be able to house approximately 40 offices as well as changing rooms and canteens, providing a pleasant workspace for factory employees. Also, the presence of an infirmary open to individuals within the industrial apartment demonstrates a thoughtful approach to employee well-being and safety. With the project's physical rate of execution exceeding 50%, the project team feels a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Equipment procurement is underway, with shipments scheduled to commence within the next few weeks, followed by installation in 3 weeks. This rapid progress demonstrates the commitment to delivering tangible results in a timely manner. Even though the task is yet to be completed, there is optimism about the future because there are very committed young and motivated teams aiming to achieve the desired results. Everything is urgent, and it may not always be very necessary to extend the deadlines. Work must be completed as quickly as possible in order to put these infrastructures into service and provide the people with the necessary resources. Looking ahead, the engineers aim to complete the construction by the end of June, with the final boxes of tomatoes expected from the Bobo factory in July. This timeline highlights the project's impact on local agricultural production and economic growth, indicating a bright future for the community and stakeholders involved. Ibrahim Traore's efforts to expertise infrastructural projects as well as promote industrial development are not only admirable but also very crucial to Burkina Faso's long-term success. As the country faces numerous challenges, Traore's vision and leadership serve as a catalyst for progress, propelling initiatives that empower communities, stimulate economic growth, and strengthen Burkina Faso's position on the global stage. This strategic approach demonstrates Burkina Faso's determination to capitalize on recent successes and transform them into tangible improvements in infrastructure and development. Traore hopes to lay the groundwork for Burkina Faso's long-term economic growth and prosperity by prioritizing initiatives to improve transportation networks and industrial infrastructure. Traore's proactive leadership is critical in guiding Burkina Faso through this transitional period and into a future marked by progress, resilience, and prosperity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe so that more people can see this.